1 year and 9 months since I filmed my very first vlog style video.
I have a lot to do today. I'm gonna take a bike ride. I'm gonna bring my drone. So we're gonna pack that up and bring it with us. Yeah, so that's what we're doing.
And now I wouldn't say it was my first attempt at a modge podge of videos put together to remember my life, but it's my first attempt where I spoke to the camera, and I spoke to the camera badly. I made it to the park, and I'm so thankful I brought water, because it is so humid. I feel like I just got out of the shower. It's ridiculous. That's Helston for you. It was a horrible, horrible video. It changed the next year and 9 months of my life. When I started this journey on YouTube, I owned a Blade Chroma. Prior to doing these vlogs, I just made a lot of drone videos. Prior to that, I made other just little experimental videos. But I never took it seriously until that one video. As the day went on, the humidity has decreased. I mean, it's still humid as can be, but not like it was this morning. One thing with the Blade Chroma compared to what I have now, which is the Mavic Pro and the Mavic Air, it wasn't a really stable platform. A lot of the times you'd fly and you'd move your sticks around, yet your picture wouldn't move with it, so you weren't quite sure if you were getting a shot worth using or not. Now with the Mavic Pro and Mavic Air, it does work. Another damn airplane. They just don't stop. Let me go ahead and just launch the drone. Normally, when I'm throwing drone footage into a shot, it's because I want to show like where I'm at. I want to further the story in some way, shape, or form. If it doesn't fit and it's just cool drone footage, then I'll save it and I'll just sort of compile it into its own little video of just pretty drone footage shots. If you use the wrong thing, it can just take you away from the story. So hopefully this doesn't do that. One thing I don't get is why do they leave it with metal ramps? This shit is hot. Nowadays with skate light and all these other materials they could do that don't retain heat like this, they could revamp this park and make it a little safer for the kids here. God. For years I would stop right here at this little bayou and there was a snapping turtle. He was getting really big and he was there every single time I'd stop. On the way back, there he is. Told you, I see him every time. However, he seems to be gone now. I assume with Harvey's floodings, all that crazy stuff, he was swept away to a new home, hopefully. Trying to get Active Track to track me in the water, like under the water. I'm not having any luck though. Seems to only work when I stay really close to the surface or on the surface. Otherwise, it just can't do it. While that's doing an asteroid shot of me, I thought I'd take a minute to just say, when I started this with that shitty ass vlog, I had like 200 and something subscribers. I pretty much just used my YouTube as a dumping ground. And now I really try to use it as a way to lock in parts of my life, as well as ways to teach and share things that I know that might help others. hot here that my phone no longer will show a picture. That's the easiest way to catch any Mavic. Bottom sensor's off, grab it loosely, pull the stick down. You get no fighting, no worry about your fingers in the prop. Use common sense on where you grab it and you'll be just fine. It's a weird thing coming back here, visiting people here in Texas compared to where I now live in Colorado. People are different. It makes me glad that we're here at the airport. And when I say we, it's me and my son. And we're getting ready to get on the plane to head back to where the rest of my family is. I owe it all to them. They are a huge part of why I make these videos. Something that they can look back on whenever I'm older and possibly gone. It's about a 2-hour flight, so we'll be home in a minute. That's my trip to Houston. Yeah, it's not like my regular videos, but it's nice to be back, and it's nice to be back with the family. My videos have come a really long way since I started all this. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments what you think for my first attempt at this style. This summer, I have so much planned. Hiking the mountains. I have a glider that I want to convert into a total FPV setup. I'm really looking forward to some kind of goggles and glasses to fly that thing like all over the place. Lots to come.